Guys, I'm headed into work right now. This is gonna be a quick video, and the main portion of this video is to tell you guys thank you. Oh my God, I don't even know what to say. I'm basically speechless. As a lot of you know, a lot of my new subscribers found me through Officer Daniels, who gave me a shout out on Snapchat, and since then it has just blown up. So obviously I have to thank him immensely for putting it out there, but to back it up even one notch from that, I need to thank one of my early on subscribers. His name's Drew Kripe, I hope I'm saying that right. He found me before any of this and said he liked the video, and he's like, I'm gonna tell all my friends. Well, and I don't know this kid or guy, I don't know him at all, didn't ask him for anything. He went out on his own and contacted Officer Daniels and told him about my vlogs, and that's how this whole thing happened. So Drew, brother, I don't know what to say, but thank you. I mean, that is amazing. I never expected anything like this. You have no idea how much it means to me that you went out of your way and took your time to do something like that for me. So thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. To everybody else who has subscribed in the past couple of days, again, thank you so much. You guys have been so cool. Out of hundreds of comments, and I have tried to respond to every single one of you, so if I missed you somehow, I'm sorry. I did find a few comments later that were in a spam folder, but I have tried to reply to you personally, to every single one of you. I mean, out of hundreds and hundreds of comments, I've had 2 negative ones, and that's it. You guys have been amazing. You've been killing it. I love it. That's why I want to do this stuff. I enjoy doing it, but the fact that there's people that are so supportive of law enforcement and are interested in this profession, this is what I want to be able to do, is to show you my take on it, my side of it, and if you can learn something along the way, then that's perfect. Again, you guys are awesome. I literally woke up to this the following morning from when Officer Daniels posted this on Snapchat, and I mean, you guys about melted my phone down. It was just going off left and right, email after email, subscriber, comment, likes. It is crazy. I mean, you guys are hitting it so hard. I'm almost thinking, maybe this is a little premature, I gotta come up with a name for this new family. I know a few of the other people that I follow on YouTube have names for their family. You've got Sarah Dici, she's got the Peachy Fam. Amelia Hartford, she's a drifter, really cool girl. The E Crew, I know some of you might not so hot on them, but Logan Paul's got the Low Gangsters. We gotta come up with something, I'm thinking. So that's where I'm gonna leave off today. You guys watch this and you're a part of this new family as it keeps growing. I want to hear your suggestions. I want to hear if you think we should do this, if we should come up with a name for this new family. I got one idea so far. Tell you my idea for a name, and you guys can tell me if you like it or not, or if you come up with something else, maybe we can go that way too, because I am not set on this. But here's why I thought of it, right? Like I told you, I woke up that next morning to just, I mean, the screen of my phone just blasted with comments and subscribers. I mean, it just was like a lynch mob. And for some reason, just in my head, it popped in the Mikey Mo vlogs, the Mikey Mo mob. You guys just mobbed me with love and support and everything like that. So I was thinking the Mikey Mo mob? Mo mob? Maybe? Let me know what you think. Put it in the comments below. Give me your suggestions, and maybe we'll do something totally different, all right? I do have some stuff coming up. You guys have to bear with me. Being a full-time field training officer takes a lot of my time, plus I have my normal life. I've done a lot of filming. I have to get it edited and get it on here. One of the things I filmed most recently was our in-service training. So we did some shooting, we did some shield work and clearing buildings and things like that. So I'm gonna put that up there. If it works out this week, I'm actually friends with one of the pilots for the aviation unit at our local sheriff's office, and he said I can come out and fly with him. So if I can get permission to go out there, I'm gonna do that. We're gonna go up into the chopper. So again, I'm gonna end this right here, guys. I'm headed into work. I love you all so much. Again, I appreciate it more than you guys will ever know. I hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.